Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to lower volume on DJI RC2. So first what we are going to do is just power on the controller. So how you do that, just press once on the on button and then the second one hold a little bit. You will also hear the sound. Now when it's turned on, what you're going to do next is at the top of the screen swipe 2 times down and you will see here the volume slider. So what you can do here is just simply adjust the volume, and yeah, this is basically it, how you can do that. Now you can adjust the volume instantly while flying also without opening any menus by using a combination of the back buttons and the camera control dials. So if you press and hold the C1 or C2 button on the back of the controller while holding the button, roll the right dial or left dial depending on your custom button mapping to lower or raise the volume. And yeah, uh, this is basically the quickest way how you can do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next